Hi, folks. Let me just tell you a little bit about all the books that we have. The one that we've recently published is this one I want to show you. It's called Talking Sex by the Book. It's a book that we wrote for parents and grandparents, youth workers, teachers, any of you. And it's this overall aspect of how do you talk to your children about this important topic of sex and sexuality and gender from a biblical worldview. As Christians, this is your duty. You are ambassadors of Christ to your children.
Very good.
And you must do this. You have to do this. But of course, to help you, we have other publications. We have this book called Teen Sex by the Book. So if you've got a teenager, anyone around 15 years or so, I would recommend that you get them this book, Teen Sex by the Book. It covers everything from gender to pornography and dating and mating and how far should we go and all those exciting things. But maybe you're thinking, you've got a preteen, a kid who's in puberty. Here we've got a book for that too. Growing Up by the Book is a book that we wrote for 10 to 14-year-olds. 10 to 14-year-olds. And you're thinking, really? Do we talk to them? Of course you do. It is for 10 to 14-year-olds. We cover puberty and how God created the body good. You know, we live in a world where kids think, or they're taught to think, that the changes of puberty are something like a disease. But in fact, it is God's good work in your children's body to prepare them to be adults. So may I encourage you, if you've got any child or you're a teacher or a youth worker, kids between 10 and 14, please get Growing Up by the Book. But I hear some of you saying, but we've got preschoolers. Guess what? We've got a set of books for that too. This we call Birds and Bees by the Book. I know it's corny, but why not? It comes in 6 little booklets. Me and My Body. Then we've got Me and My Brain. That's the book where you can talk to them about making decisions. We've got one called Me and My Family. And you know, it's really important that we talk to our children about family. Your kid might even come home and ask you, you know, my friend in school has got 2 moms or 2 dads. You've got to be ready to talk to them about it. So Me and My Body, Me and My Brain, these are basic concepts. We call them the foundational books. Me and My Body, Me and My Brain, Me and My Family. But then you have other things you have to talk to your kids about. Of course, you have to talk to them about sex. So there's learning about sex, age-appropriate pre-primary school. You've got to talk to your children, or else they're going to learn from friends or they're going to learn from pornography. Pornography, you think, should I be talking to my kids about porn? Yes, you have to teach them. We've got a book learning about pornography, just the basics that say, if somebody shows you or you accidentally find it, this is not good, perfect. Run away, talk to someone. Finally, we've got to talk to them about gender. So this is all the stuff that we've talked about and all our books. God bless you all.